This is Tim from US6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you lost your remote on your Google TV, and you can use your phone as a remote, and also you can play a sound so you can hear your remote. So what we want to do is just swipe up from the bottom and go to search for apps and type in Google TV. Here's Google TV. It should be on your Android phone. Now if you're on Apple you might have to download it. But make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your TV and your TV's turned on. And then you should be able to find your TV down here, to TVs to connect. And then I'm just going to choose my living room TV. So if you ever lost your remote, you can use your phone as a remote very easily. So we can tap this one more time. And then here's the option now. I can control everything on my screen, go home, volume pad, and we can go up the top here and go to find my remote, go to play sound. And it's literally playing a sound for me, and then we can just pause it by pressing it. Then you can disconnect, power off your TV right there. So you can change the control too if you want to do a swiper. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on US6 Studios.